Somewhere in the North Aegean Sea, on a quiet island, a storm is brewing. They were loved once, unboxed with excitement, started with passion. But then, forgotten. Now, the neglected canvases have had enough. Led by Medusa, they rise from the dust of unfinished dreams. In a battle between ambition and procrastination, one woman must face her ultimate challenge. This fall, redemption isn't optional. From the tranquil shores of the North Aegean comes a story of chaos, courage, and too many unfinished kits. The WIP Chronicles 2, The Neglected Rise.
Okay guys, you can relax. The negotiations worked and crisis has been averted, at least for now. I managed to calm down the neglected WIPs and promised them that I will work on them pretty soon. So yeah, shall we get to the ones that I did work on? It's not many, so it will be a short video. Hello everyone. Lost a nail. Hello everyone, by the way, my name is Neta and welcome to Mirthful Diamond Paintings if you are new here. If you are returning, thank you for your continuous support and for sticking around with me in my craziness. I hope you liked the intro of this video. So this month I have worked so far 56 hours, not counting a lot of hours, at least half of those extra, on my lab project, which I forgot to bring, but I will. So let's see what I did. First of all, I finished, I will not show them, but I will show them in monthly review because they are finishes. I finished the mini chibi witch from last month and the mini chibi witch from this month. So we are ready from the minis. I am done for the month. Maybe I will start the next one, but I'm not sure yet, but there is no rush. See my... Oh, no, it's glue. Okay. I saw something on my light pad. So let's get to what I have worked on and still working on. I will not show the mystery kit because some of you may not want to see it, but I have, I'm at 18 sections now or something like that. And The first WIP I have worked on quite a lot this month is the Midnight Mischief. I was here, I think, when I started working out at it, and I did pretty good progress in 1 week. I finished 2.5 rows, maybe more, and I just have 1 row left that I will finish next week. And yeah, it's adorable. I really love it. I really love how it turned out. It's very, 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 very cute. What you see here on her face is cupid dusts, all of these speckles here, and has a ton of ABs and cupid dust also on the background, on the foliage and the trees and the pumpkins, and on the big pumpkin that it is down here, it will have a lot of specials. But yeah, that's the one. The other one is the one I'm working this week. It is to the moon. I'm working sideways, so I'm going from this way down. Something is buzzing here. It's a very large moth trying to get out. Anyway, and I only did half of the second row this week. I didn't diamond paint at all yesterday on the main projects. I did a lot on my lab projects for reasons that I will talk about in the weekly vlog, the WIP of the week. So yeah, that's the second one. The third one I worked on, as I said, is the Christmas mystery kit, that I will not show it, and let me grab very fast the lab project that I did a lot of progress on it. And here is my lab project. I was on 2 and something rows at the start of the month. If I remember correctly, I was around here. I think I was close to her eyebrow or close to her eye. But I have done a lot more. So I have 2 and a quarter of the rows to go. So that's going pretty fast from single placing the entire thing, because she is pretty large. But yes, she looks fantastic. She looks amazing. It is the round drill one. And yeah, she's not missing anything from the square one. And I really love it. Anyway, as I said, this would be a small video, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you so much for joining me in, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments how many WIPs do you have. Do they riot like mine? Your neglected ones? I'm curious to know. Or I'm the one with sassy WIPs. Anyway, I will see you shortly in a different type of videos, and let's see how much I will have finished, how many finishes I will have on the monthly review at the first days of November. Until next time, take good care of yourselves, because no one else will, and keep on shining, because it makes the others jealous. Loves, bye!